Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that gets a lot of buzz in the wellness world, and for good reason. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, for weight loss. You've probably heard about it, maybe seen it in health food stores, or even in your grandma's pantry. It's a truly ancient remedy, and while it's not a magic bullet, there are some really interesting ways it might support your weight management journey. So, what exactly is apple cider vinegar? It's basically fermented apple juice. The magic happens during fermentation, where apples are crushed, yeast and bacteria are added, and the sugars turn into alcohol, then into acetic acid. This acetic acid is the star ingredient that gives ACV its distinct smell and most of its potential health benefits. When you're looking for ACV, always go for the raw, unfiltered kind that has the mother, that cloudy, stringy stuff at the bottom. That's where all the good bacteria and enzymes live. Now, how might ACV help with weight loss? One of the most talked about ways is its potential to help you feel fuller for longer. Some studies suggest that taking ACV with meals can help slow down the rate at which food empties from your stomach. This means you might feel more satisfied after eating, which could lead to naturally consuming fewer calories throughout the day. Imagine feeling less tempted to reach for those extra snacks. Another interesting aspect is ACV's potential impact on blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes and then crashes, it can lead to cravings and overeating. ACV has been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar responses after meals, especially those rich in carbohydrates. By helping to stabilize blood sugar, it might indirectly help manage cravings and prevent those energy dips that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Some people also believe ACV can boost your metabolism, potentially helping your body burn more fat. While more research is definitely needed in this area, the idea is that the acetic acid might play a role in activating certain enzymes involved in fat metabolism. So, how do you actually use it? The most common way is to dilute it in water. Never drink undiluted ACV, as its acidity can damage tooth enamel and irritate your throat. A common recommendation is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a large glass of water and drink it about 15 to 30 minutes before a meal. You can do this once or twice a day. Some people also enjoy adding a little honey for taste. Remember, ACV is a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for a balanced diet and regular exercise. But as a natural addition to your routine, it might just give you that extra nudge in your weight loss goals.